10 tips to help your dog live longer. If you're a proud parent to these adorable dogs, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a topic that every dog lover should know about: ensuring a long and healthy life for your precious companions. Let's explore the secrets to a happy and extended life for your dog. Number 1. Balanced nutrition. Provide a well-balanced and nutritious diet, tailored to your dog's specific needs, considering factors such as age, weight, and health conditions. Number 2. Regular vet checkup. Schedule regular veterinary visits for health checkup, vaccinations, and preventive care. Early detection of potential issues can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Number 3. Proper grooming. Regular grooming, including brushing, bathing, and dental care, helps maintain your dog's overall well-being and prevents health issues associated with poor hygiene. Number 4. Regular exercise. Engage your dog in regular, age-appropriate exercise to keep them physically fit and mentally stimulated. This can include short walks, playtime, and interactive toys. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the love with your fellow dog lover enthusiasts. Number 5. Hydration. Always provide access to clean and fresh water. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health, including maintaining a healthy coat and preventing urinary issues. Number 6. Dental care. Dental health is essential for your dog's overall well-being. Brush their teeth regularly, and provide dental treats or toys to promote oral hygiene. Number 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity can lead to various health problems. Ensure your dog maintains a healthy weight through proper nutrition and regular exercise. Number 8. Comfortable living environment. Create a comfortable and safe living environment for your dog. Provide a cozy bed, avoid extreme temperatures, and minimize stressors to promote a happy and relaxed lifestyle. Number 9. Mental stimulation. Keep your dog mentally stimulated with interactive toys, puzzle games, and positive reinforcement training. Mental exercise is as important as physical activity for their overall happiness. Number 10. Love and attention. Finally, shower your dog with love, attention, and companionship. Building a strong bond with your pet contributes to their emotional well-being and enhances their quality of life. Thank you for tuning into our channel, where we're committed to creating a positive and healthy life for our beloved dogs. For more in-depth insights and future updates, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Remember, a longer, happier life for your dogs begins with the love and care you provide. Until our next pawsome adventure together, wishing you and your dog a lifetime of joy, health, and tail-wagging moments. Take care, and see you in the next